So because this is a little new to some people, let me just walk through it one more time. You're on some website, and this is you're going to do some type of e-commerce, which means you're going to purchase something. You send over a request to make a purchase. The web server has to authenticate to you. You are going to validate that digital certificate, pull out the public key, and now create the session key and send it over to the web server. So this stuff happens in the background all the time, and we don't know it. I mean, you know, we can know it if we know that it's set up if we see HTTPS or there's a padlock or some type of symbol depending on our web browser. But remember what I said about revocation? I said that digital certificates can be revoked. And what did I say about web browsers? Web browsers in particular.